Tecno has partnered with German high-end TV and audio brand Loewe to bring us a special edition of the Camon 30 series designed by Loewe. The standout feature here is the back cover, which is made in part from waste coffee grounds. This is, in fact, the industry's first back cover made from coffee grounds, Tecno proudly claims in its official press release on the matter. The colorway features a striking nature-inspired green that reflects commitment to sustainable and stylish design. Tecno Camon 30 Series Loewe Design Edition launches with back cover made from coffee grounds. The gradient design is inspired by the life cycle of natural leaves with a color palette that represents the growth and life of the green leaf. Tecno says the design is a celebration of nature, technology, and fashion working in harmony for the good of the planet. The back cover is composed of more than 25% bio-based material, a claim that's certified by the USDA. The manufacturing process of the coffee grounds back uses no organic solvents, no additional water consumption, and is entirely solar-powered. The only buzzword missing here is AI. We're not sure how that one was missed. Tecno Camon 30 Series Loewe Design Edition launches with back cover made from coffee grounds. For every backplate manufactured, approximately 0.8 grams of waste coffee grounds will be used. The new edition is available throughout the Camon 30 series, comprising of the Camon 30 Premier, Camon 30 Pro, Camon 30 5G, and Camon 30. There's no other change to the devices aside from the new back cover. The specs remain identical. Marco Imola, Director of Design and Design Management at Loewe Design Studio, said, "The Loewe Design Studio brings a rich history of excellence in product design in consumer electronics, particularly in premium products. Loewe's emphasis on high-quality design and innovative technology aligns perfectly with Tecno's forward-thinking approach. This partnership allows both companies to leverage each other's strengths, creating products that stand out in the competitive smartphone market."